Third type is what? 3D packing. So 3D packing is again divided into AA type of arrangement and AB type of arrangement. So this is what? AA type of simple cubic structure. This is three-dimensional structure. Look at this A layer. Again there is what? A layer. Again there is what? A layer. Again there is A layer. So this is what? 3D structure. This is three-dimensional structure in case of cubic structure, in case of simple cubic structure. Now this is what? AB type structure in case of three dimensional. Now look at here, this is what? A molecule. Dark blue color is what? A molecule, and this light blue color is what? B type of molecule. So look at here, there is what? Formation of tetrahedral void as well as octahedral void. So this is A layer and this is B layer. When this A layer is overlapped with B layer, there is what? Formation of tetrahedral void as well as octahedral void. Now next point is what? Point defects. So point defect is arises due to irregularity arrangement of that particles, okay, in that lattice point. Okay. So this the real natural occurring crystalline substance do not have that perfect crystalline nature. Okay, they do not have that perfect crystal structure, so they have some disorder or they are not regular. Okay, so that irregularities arrangement of that particular particles in a solid called as what? Defect. So called as what? Point defect. So point defect is divided into three types: stoichiometric defect, non-stoichiometric defect, and impurity defect. So stoichiometric defect means what? Stoichiometry is present means what? Number of cations and number of anions are what? Same. Okay. Non-stoichiometric defect means what? The ratio of cations and anions are not equal. Okay. And impurity defect means what? There is what? Insertion of some impurities. So stoichiometric defect is again subdivided into three types. So stoichiometric defect is divided into four types: vacancy defect, self-interstitial defect, Schottky defect, and Frankel defect. So vacancy defect means what? There is a vacancy of particle. For example, this is what? Structure of unit cell. And suppose these particles which are present. So this is what? Vacancy of the particles in unit cell. That is nothing but what? Vacancy. This is vacancy. Absence of particles. That is nothing but vacancy defect. Next is what? Next is what? Self-interstitial defect. Self-interstitial defect means what? This is unit cell which contain particles. But suppose here is what? Extra particle. This is called as what? Self-interstitial defect. There is also presence of one extra particle. That is nothing but self-interstitial defect. So self-interstitial defect, in this case, there is what? Presence of particles. Presence of particles means what? Self-interstitial defect. And the vacancy defect means what? There is absence of particles. So total number of particles, total number of ions that are same. Okay, means electrical neutrality is maintained in case of stoichiometric defect.